everybody, welcome back to the 509. I was going to do a unboxing and a review of this Senox punch pack, and I did a small short video a little while back on some copper gutter. You can do in the same, well, using the same product, only this is aluminum and the other ones on the other video were copper. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you how it works. Again, a little bit more in depth, nothing too crazy, so stick around. It won't be a long video. But right here you can see it's a Black Max punch pack, 4-inch oval outlets, and with this 450 outlets and one punch. So in the end they wind up being about $1.40 per outlet, and then you get the punch pretty much for free, so you do the math. But it is a little bit of an expensive investment, but you know, we go through these boxes quite a bit, so it's really worth it in the long run. So stick around, we'll open up this box, show you what we got, and then I'm gonna actually get the other punch that we have in the trailer, the one that we've been using, and we'll demonstrate it again. All right, so we went ahead and brought the box inside, and let's go ahead and open this dude up real quick. Oops, I'm gonna tear it up. All right, so this is what comes in the box. You wind up getting a punch, and then you get all these boxes in here individually with the outlets in there. There you go. And as I showed in the other video, you can see where they have these little bumps right here, and we'll show you how those things work in just a second here. But let me go ahead and open up this box with this punch. All right, so here's the punch box. All right, so you got some instructions, and here's the new punch here. Then you also get a hole saw. This one is 1.5 inches, and then you get some tools with it. It's like a little lube stick, and then you get the driver right here. Take this apart here. A little bit faster if you use an impact or a drill. Take that out, and then this is where your driver, this goes into your drill, and then this goes in here like that. Now I'll show you the other one. Here's the other one that we've been using, and these wind up getting worn out in the end, and they wind up slipping in this hex head here. So what we wind up doing is I go to the pawn shop or something, and I get these long extensions, and then we just weld them on right there. The only thing is that once you pop the hole through, you got to disconnect it from your drill and let it go through so you can retrieve it that way. On this hole saw here, this is kind of unique, the way they, I don't know, designed it, or I've never seen them before until we got these packages, and then they came with these hole saws. But check them out. So when you go to drill your hole, that slug that comes out of there that's stuck inside here, it gets popped back out with a spring, which is really cool. And we can show you that in a second. On the instructions, it says for care and maintenance to once a week to get one of the Q-tips with some of that lube and run it through these 3 holes to get any shavings out, is what this is for. All right, so here we're going to go ahead and use that hole saw to go ahead and pop a hole in here real quick. See if you can see, once he gets through, you can see that slug pop through, pop out. See, with that spring in there, it automatically pops that slug out. That's a really good feature, I think. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and assemble the punch into the hole. and go ahead and get the thread started a little bit so it'll hang on. And then we got the hex shaft inside the impact driver here, and we're going to go ahead and just drive it all the way home until it punches a hole through. And there's your slug from that it pops out. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install the outlet, but what we normally do is we'll run a small bead of sealer all the way around this border here, and then we'll go ahead and flip it over and slide it in there. Now, as I was mentioning before about these bumps right here, there's 4 of them, and when we put the outlet into the hole here, you can hear it snap in. Listen. And that's it. So that's it. Appreciate you guys stopping by to check this out. And before I forget to tell you, there is some Amazon affiliate links in the description. If you can stop by there and check those out, there'll be some metal working tools and stuff like that in there. And if you guys buy anything, I could possibly get a small commission, and that would help me out. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell notifications as well, so that way you can be notified every time we submit a new video. So until next time, we will see you back here at the 509. Y'all take care, and also happy Thanksgiving.